Diversification. We hear this term all the time when it comes to investing, but why is it so important? We'll explain today on Elevate Wealth. Hey there, I'm Deanne Rosso with Elevate Wealth Advisory, and I'm joined today by my colleague, our Director of Investment Policy, Rob Fezekas. Welcome, Rob.
Thank you. Hi, Deanne.
Hi. So, Rob, we hear this term diversification all the time. Why is it so important?
Sure. Well, diversification has been called the only free lunch in finance.
What is that?
It underpins all of modern portfolio theory, but probably the most important thing to keep in mind is that it is our most effective tool that we have to control risk in a portfolio. So by combining different assets that behave differently in the same portfolio, we can kind of smooth out the volatility of that portfolio. We can reduce the risk of a deeper loss and just make it a little easier to kind of hang on to that portfolio for the long run.
Gotcha. Okay, so in that way then, is there a simple way to improve diversification in a portfolio?
Yeah, I think probably the simplest way, if starting with a stock portfolio, probably the simplest way to improve diversification would be just adding some short-term, high-quality bonds, like 5-year Treasury bonds. And the reason for that is in most periods where we get a drawdown in the stock market, when the stock market's not doing well, short-term Treasury bonds actually hold their value and often go up in value at the same time. So again, we're controlling the risk and we're reducing the volatility in the portfolio by having two different assets that move kind of in opposite directions at the same time.
Right. And also maybe the bond growth gives us a little bit to pinch off and reinvest in those stocks when they're low.
That's right. It really helps with rebalancing a portfolio as well.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Rob. That's a great explanation. And if you have questions about how to diversify or anything really investment related with your portfolio, feel free to look us up online at elevate-wealth.com and click Let's Talk. We'll see you next time.